It's Tuesday night. What to do? Let's make some delicious pork tacos. So you made, for example, our pork roast recipe last Sunday, link just here, and you have leftover. Let's use them for tonight dinner. First, grab some lettuce. Always have an iceberg that stays good in the fridge and I like how crunchy it is. Take out some leaves and cut them into squares. Making tacos is easy, the important is always to have all the ingredients ready. Grab a tomato, make the same, and reserve on the side. Today I have a leftover pork belly, as you can see. The fat becomes white when cold. Slice the meat you have cut into small squares. As a busy dad, I want an easy and yummy meal made fast. So I'm using ready tortilla. These are a mix of wheat and corn, choose your favorite ones. They are soft and look beautiful. In a hot pan, drop all the meat, ensure it's grilled enough and the fat part become crispy. In a separate pan, a non-stick surface is better. Put the tortilla, no need of oil or butter. Once they are warm on one side, flip them on the other side. Remember to mix your pork. Can you smell it? If you like it, put a thumb on the video. It takes 1 second and greatly helps us. Thank you. I'm using some made spicy here directly from Mexico called La Costeña. I found it in many countries, the US, Europe, and of course Mexico. Look for your favorite Latin sauce in your local shop. Once more, I'm a busy parent like you and want to make it easy for you. On a plate, take a tortilla, put the lettuce and some beans. I use red ones, but canned beans like black or pinto also work. Then some tomato and a generous portion of your hot pork. And now only the sauce, so your tortilla doesn't become too soft. The tricky part is to close it. Look at this beautiful taco, as good as your local Mexican place. Tell me in the comments if you like it. Wait after to see the one I made for my little ones. As it's family, I will make a second one for me. Let's see if I can be faster. Look, it sounds even better. My girl only like meat and tortilla, so make it an extra meat portion. She always wants two. So let's make a second one. Subscribe to the channel if you want one too. Watch this video to see how to make beef tacos. It's also super easy, and if you love pork, look at our tasty pork playlist. And finally, let's make some for my wife. She likes it with lemon juice, and here it's ready. Easy dinner in less than 10 minutes for the family using leftover, essential ingredient and pork. Bon appétit! See you soon!